Hey guys, today is the due day. I told you about transitioning to natural hair. So today is my first round of trimming my relaxed hair out. Yes, I'm going full natural. My hair is already washed and I'm going to blow dry. First and foremost, I'm going to apply my heat protectant because this is very important. Yeah, so I'm not going to destroy the little one I have because the relaxer really damaged my hair. I'm blow drying this just to get the length of the relaxed hair and the one that is not relaxed, that's my natural hair. You can see the length of the relaxed and natural parts, it's obvious. Because of how damaged the relaxed part is, I don't even want to see anything like relaxed hair. That's why I'm going to cut it as slow as this. Guys, it's really heartbreaking, but I just had to do it. So initially, I thought I would just be trimming out the tips, but I found out that it's not really necessary. I just wanted to get rid of the relaxed part, okay? So after that, I can have my full natural hair because I've been admiring my daughter's hair. The natural hair is giving, like I like it. So that's why I'm going full natural. I said, am I going to cut everything out? I said, no. What about my tutorials? No, I still have tutorials for you guys. So there's no how I can cut everything. So that's why I'm just going to trim out this part, and then maybe after like 2 to 3 months, I can come back again and trim the remaining relaxed part. Yeah. For those of you that will ask me how I'm getting to see the back view, okay, I'm using my mirror and my phone. My phone gives me the feedback from the camera so I can see everything I'm doing. If you don't have your camera or phone, you can use two mirrors, one in your front and one at the back. You will see everything clearly. So before I got the camera, I was using two mirrors. Yeah. But I just had to adjust because of the camera and everything I'm using now. So I'm going to continue cutting this part. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. When I started this, like I felt so emotional. Like I felt like, why are you doing this? But I just had to do it. Like after trimming the hair, I was like, wow, I should have done this long time ago. Like I loved it. When I got to the front, I discovered that it's longer, way longer. So you can see this. So you keep trimming till everything is equal. You cannot be perfect, especially when you are doing it by yourself. It's not like I'm doing a professional cutting, it's just for me to trim out the relaxed part. Alright guys, I'm done trimming. I'll just go ahead and make my first natural hairstyle. Alright guys, can you see this beautiful hairstyle? Like I just made this with my short hair. So do you like it? Let me know in the comment section. So we are all the natural hair gang. Where are you guys at this Christmas? I'm gonna give it to you. Yeah, so make sure you like and subscribe for more interesting, beautiful videos with natural hair. You're gonna rock it. You know that. Alright guys, bye. See ya.